So welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Breakpoint game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart our PC as well as Steam. So Steam users just click on Steam option, click on exit. After that click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once your PC and Steam restarts, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the application. So first of all, search for the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and after that move to the next method. Next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. NVIDIA users, if you are going through the link, then open this link, you will get download option. Simply click on download option, and this will download the latest NVIDIA drivers. After that, install it or update it, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to allow the game through Firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now click on Firewall network protection, click on allow an app through Firewall. After that, here you have to click on change settings. Now search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, here you have to select the application, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game in the library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on general. Here in the launch option you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to clear temp files. So for that you have to press Windows plus R and have to type %temp%, press OK. This whatever the temp files you can see, simply select it and then click on a delete icon. And after deleting the temp files, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to turn off overlays. So you should turn off overlays like MSI, Afterburner, Razor, Cortex, Discord, and many others if they are enabled, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates, wait for some time. It will check if any update is available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list first. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list. After adding it, here you have to select the game. Make sure both here you have to select the game, click on the arrow icon, under GPU preference select high performance, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game file. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game file. So this will check and verify the game files, wait for some time, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to disable Steam overlays. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, under general. Here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. So after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it, and here you will get repair or install option. Click on a repair, click on yes, wait for some time, and once you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed, select custom size in initial size, You have to type 12288 in the maximum size. You have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check if it's working. If not, final method is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select a game under library section, right click on manage, now click on uninstall and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from PC. After that, you have to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, select restart. So this will restart a PC. After that, launch Steam and again reinstall Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Breakpoint game and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Breakpoint game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.